Wow, that's all I have to say. I'm sure we've all seen this one, we've read about it. Look at it, 2,500 parts. I mean, I can't imagine the amount of work and effort that has gone into this. Whoever created this, whoever studied the blueprints, made a fantastic job. Everything works on it. You have movable wheels. Look at that, turning front wheels. Even the steering wheel is turning. Doors that open. Look how detailed that is. Bucket seats. We have gear levers here. High range, low range, all of that. Under the bonnet, we have a 6-cylinder. And how does this... You can actually see the pistons going up and down. There's a winch in here, which is unbelievable, which you can actually use. I think it's that way. Oh, there we go. So you can pull the winch out, you can turn it in again with that. The pistons move up and down. There's a bonnet, the doors, an interior, a back door, which actually works, which uses the spare wheel to open and close, which is really cool. And here you can see all the diffs, everything. Very detailed. And actually very true to the new shape of the Defender. The backlights we got here, we got the corner bumpers, the wheel arches. Let me close the door. We've got the little accessory box here. All of it works, it opens. Can you believe that? We've got some storage options on top. We've got the little ladder on the side that we saw. It's quite big. Yeah, look at that. The front as well, very cool. That kind of echoes the real. It's got suspension. Don't know if you can see that, but it's quite supple. And if you look at the bottom, which we need to do, look at all of that. It's almost more complicated than the real thing. Front diffs, you can see that working. Prop shaft turning to the back. All of this moves. I think we got a diff lock in here somewhere. It's fantastically complicated. I think this is probably in its natural state in the Land Rover with the bonnet up. Bad joke. But I have found it really fantastic. This is a beautiful piece of work. It's fantastically well engineered. It's beautifully executed. Everything is in there, everything moves. You can even, I think, get an electric motor for this and you can have it remotely controlled. Steering, and of course back and forward, high range, low range, diff locks, all of that. Beautiful piece of work. Look at that. I've heard from the person who built it, this cost about 2 days to build. I can imagine. For me it'll probably take even longer because you'll go and finish it and have parts left and you have to disassemble the whole thing. Fantastic work. I'm glad I got to look at it. I've seen it online. I've seen it in some videos and it looked really interesting, and even back a year ago I wasn't sure LEGO would even build it. They've gone and done that. They've excelled. They've exceeded everyone's expectations. It looks fantastic. So guys, there's it. It's a quick look, quick 5-minute view of the LEGO 2nd generation Defender 90. Guys, thanks for watching, man. Keep rolling and catch you on the next one.